Today I have a Nissan Tida verasa. This wire came inside the fan blade and short together. This is the fan blade. After that, the check engine light is not coming in the cluster and car is not starting. I repair. When I check, that was a problem in the engine ECU. Short engine ECU because of the wiring came down in the fan blade. Short together, there is a teeny transistor. This is a MOSFET. This is N-channel MOSFET. This MOSFET responsible for the energize the EFI relay. This MOSFET I changed now. This is the problem. If check engine light is not coming, first thing first you check this transistor MOSFET. Sorry, this is N-channel MOSFET. After change the MOSFET, check engine light is comes on and the car is start correctly. Less than $1 I repair this ECU. Only problem in this MOSFET. This MOSFET responsible to energize the EFI relay. Thank you for watching.